causing this is it all merged into one freaking lane. 4 lanes into one. And everybody wants to go past you on the right, and then a few seconds later they're all going to want to go to the left. But now the stupid, yeah, just barrel ass through there. And man, some people just don't know how to drive. Okay, just enjoy the ride. Get over to the left lane, it's better. Yeah, we're here. It's gonna be like this every day on the way home, unless unless I take the airport route, which is less traffic, but not as fast. Yeah. That lane that everybody those trucks just dove through is all merging left. They don't care. They're sitting in their underwear, throwing their hands up like they just don't care. If I can just get over, even one lane, I go faster and faster. The more lanes I get over towards the HB lane. I get over, but there's so much debris in the thing there that. Can't be in 3 lanes at the same time.
Which is because she would leave. Also, she's also facing a Class 1 misdemeanor for charges apparently dealing with resisting arrest and obstructing government operations. So they said, get out of here, we're going to arrest you. She said, no, you can't. I know my rights, I know my rights, I know my rights. Joe, shouldn't she have just cooperated? Shouldn't she have just said, please cuff me and stuff me, and later we will review the constitutionality of it? Sarcastic
lane, Mr. Truck. If you're gonna make a, if you want to make a lane change, if your turn signal on, and make the lane change, but don't just slowly go over a couple inches at a time, and then suddenly you're in my lane. You're back again. You cross with my car. Well, now there's a whole lot of space there. You put your turn signal in and you can move over now. But still, you just don't know where you are in the lane. That's what the problem is. This is going to speed up somewhere along the line here. I think. I don't know. This is just going to be a mess until they open up more lanes. I mean, the lanes are there to open up, but we're just not opening them up because, I don't know, man. Not aware that moving 6 lanes down to 1 lane or 2 lanes is going to cause traffic back up. Arizona planning. Oh, they got some new ramps and stuff going in over here on the left. There's some new ramps going in. Not another truck wants to go over in my lane, force me into the emergency thing here.
A little bit of backstory. I don't want to go too deep here. All of this litigation comes months after Rebecca Massey threw some complaints out against a city council member. Allie Klein was her name.
Eventually, this is going to be improved freeway. Uh-oh. This is saying, my car is saying, pay attention to the car in front of you. Because he speeded up and then he slowed down. And he speeded up. Alberson's next to me here is staying in his lane so far. Man, look at all these cement thingies. Hope they all stay up. They just have this weird tree or Final Destination when it all falls down on me. Crunch. Okay, now we're starting to get some speed up here. It's going to get faster and faster and faster. And then we're going to be going back to crazy ass driving again.